Hello and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Monli Sarumbai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 146th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India Rector Major visits Hyderabad province, holds team visit. Radio Salesian Director Father C.M. Paul reports.
The Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Arcime, the 10th successor of Don Bosco, arrived in Hyderabad province for a short visit with the Salesian family members from 25th to 28th February 2023. He had earlier visited Hyderabad province in 2016. Again in Hyderabad, Rector Major continues with a team visit from 1st to 4th March 2023. On arrival, Regional Councillor for South Asia, Father Biju Michael, Provincial Father Santiago Thomas, Vice Provincial Father Michael Kishore, and Birdie community members welcomed the Rector Major.
Father C.M. Paul reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, lives of saints and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India youth hold pre-Lent retreat on Srena theme. Youth leader Leander Pereira reports from Mumbai.
Don Bosco Youth Services Mumbai organized a 3-day youth retreat on Salesian Srena 2023 at Don Bosco Lonavala from the 17th to the 19th February 2023. Srena 2023, given by Rector Major to the entire Salesian family, reads, "As the yeast in today's human family." The retreat started with the Youth Services Director, Father Leon Cruz, speaking on the yeast experience, which also included preparing the dough and baking the bread. One powerful moment was when the dough was ready and the youth sat to reflect how the yeast is working silently in their lives. Some sessions presented by young people included being a responsible youth and sanctifying the word from within, presenting young models of holiness in the Salesian family like Akas Bashir, Veera Grita, Seferino Namancura, Francis Kessi and companions, and Laura Vicuna. There were also a long nature trail organized for the youth.
Leander Pereira reporting. Philippines specific formation for Salesian brothers available in English. Leah Castro reports from Manila.
The Salesian brothers from the regions of South Asia and East Asia, Oceania, have in Parañaque City a formation community since 1983, and since 2019, they have a newly built facility in the complex of the Seminario ng Don Bosco. This post-novitiate formation house for Salesian lay brothers is one of the 4 such facilities around the world. In Tlaquepaque, Mexico, and Barcelona, Spain for Spanish speakers, in Yaoundé, Cameroon for French speakers, and in Parañaque, Philippines for English speakers. For the upcoming formation and academic year, the Sander community is offering both Salesian and academic formation. Before the pandemic, the house was full with English-speaking conferers from Europe, Africa, and both Asian regions. This multicultural community of Salesian brothers has an international formation team with highly committed teaching staff from the Don Bosco School of Theology.
Leah Castro reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sanada, Darjeeling. Thailand Journeying with Jesus in Asia, book on Synodal Church by Salesian College alumnus released. Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reports.
The president of Federation of Asian Bishops Conferences, Salesian Cardinal Charles Bo of Myanmar, released the book Journeying with Jesus in Asia by Salesian Father Dr. George Plathotum. The author, Father Plathotum, belongs to Salesian College Sanada batch of 1981. The first copy of the book was presented to Vatican Secretary General of Synod on Synodality, Cardinal Mario Gregg, at Bangkok on 24th February 2023. Father George Plathotum is Executive Secretary, FAPC Office of Social Communication, and a consultor to the Vatican Dicastery for Communication. Belonging to Guwahati Salesian Province, Dr. Plathotum has master's degrees in theology, sociology, and journalism and mass communications, and a PhD in communication.
Brother Banhun Lang Lingdo reporting. Bangladesh Salesian Vocation Stall attracts youth at national event. Brother Polash Kispota reports from Khulna.
Bangladesh Salesians participated at the National Youth Day 2023 held at Salabonia Parish, Bangla, Khulna Diocese from 17 to 21st February. The theme of the Youth Day was Mary arose and went with haste. Luke chapter 1 verse 39. Some 480 college and university students joined members of Bengali community and ethnic indigenous groups such as Orao, Garo, Shantal, Tripura, and Paharia youth for various events including prayers, rally, meditation, cultural programs, theme talks, and newly added vocational stalls. Major attraction of the national event were vocational stalls by religious congregations such as Salesians, Holy Cross, Pime, and Loreto Sisters. Salesians of Don Bosco, Bangladesh also participated and spread the Salesian vocation among many young people. The Salesians of Don Bosco arrived in Uttral Parish, Netrokona, Diocese of Mymensingh in 2009. Gradually, they extended their ministry to the parishes of Lokhiku and Khanjanpur in Rajshahi Diocese.
Brother Polash Kispota reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.